Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Amar Prasasadina. This time, I will test my reading skill. How to be happy. We ask for psychologists how their advice on how to be happy and equally importantly, how to avoid being unhappy. The first psychologist says there has been a lot of research which shows the importance of physical health in avoid anxiety and depression. The mind and the body are highly interconnected. We can all make fairly easy change in our lifestyle to include more exercise, healthier eating, getting enough sleep, being exposed to sunlight, and so on. Research into exercise has found that it has a positive impact on mood. Physical activity stimulates the release of endorphin in the brain to produce the feel-good factor. Sleep is vitally important for children and adolescents to help concentration level. A good night's sleep also stops people being bad-tempered and flying off the handle. Second, psychologists say having good relationships is a big part of being happy. In one study, most happy people were found to have strong ties to friends and family, and they made sure they spend time with them regularly. You also need at least one person who you discuss personal feelings with called self-disclosure. Just one person for a heart-to-heart is enough, together with a network of other relationships. It's not enough to have lots of friends just to do things with our chat about music or football. That deeper connection is all important. Some people need to learn how to listen effectively to others in order to develop stronger relationships. The third psychologists say, I would recommend being completely immersed in a pleasurable activity, sometimes called experiencing flow. The activity could be anything from doing judo to painting a picture to playing chess. Typically, the activities require a certain amount of skill and are challenging but not too challenging. If you are experiencing flow, you will lose track of time and are immersed in the present moment. You find the activity rewarding for its own sake. People who spend time doing high flow activities feel more long-term happiness than those doing things like just logging around or chatting online. The fourth psychologist says, make like Superman, discover what your unique strengths and virtues are, and then use them for a purpose which benefits other people or your community. People who play to their strengths, e.g., curiosity or persistence, or virtues, e.g., justice or unity, and use them in different ways and in different situations are happier than those who focus more on their weakness. In other words, focus on the positive, not the negative, and be true to yourself. Studies in different countries have shown that people who do this report higher level of well-being. Okay, only that. Sorry if there is wrong. And wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.